Hi, I'm going to TV right now today. It is 175 kilometers away from Muscat, and three of our friends are going actually. But while we were going, we had a lot of rains in this place. Muscat is not known for rains, but a lot of rains were actually there, and I'm going to show you something. When it rains in an hilly area, what it happens. So this is the whole water coming out from the mountains. It's unbelievable speed. The whole water is coming out and going down. From here it goes to the sea, because behind this road it is the sea. That side is the sea. So it is actually going to the sea. We'll give you more input when we reach TV. Till then, that's it. Hi. We were supposed to go to TV, the beach, that 170 kilometers far away from Muscat, but it is a lot of rains. You saw that it's totally flooded. So we decided not to go there. But we have come to a new place which is known as Sinkhole. Now, Sinkhole is actually one deep crater created hole in the middle of the city of Sur. It's between Sur and Muscat. I'm going to show you how it looks like, and it's a deep hole. It's 150 meters approximately deep. So let's go and check it out. Actually, to a place known as Hayat Najm, which in Arabic known as it means falling star in English. Why it is known as falling star is because there's a lot of it's a huge hole which is also known as sinkhole. I'm going to show you the sinkhole. See, this is a huge hole which has been created, and people think that there's a lot of it's a big crater created by the meteorite falling on this place. But actually, if you see the stones, it's actually the calcium carbonate stones. A lot of calcium carbonate is there in these stones. So this calcium carbonate dissolved, and which made this whole place to fall, and hence it is known as sinkhole. It's like you can actually dive into it. You can have a bath. The green water is because the minerals in this whole rocks and all. The water has become green. So it's an excellent place to chill out. You can have it's a park nearby also. It's being made, so you can sit at the park and have a bath also and have a picnic. That's all for now. Catch you later.